few years ago I bought this beautiful Harley Benton Acoustic, and well, in my review back then I said some very kind words about it, and I still like this guitar a lot, but something was wrong with it. As I already noticed back then, it had a terrible high action. Now, the cause for this was, first of all, the neck was slightly bent, but more important, the saddle was way too high. This caused high action and made the playability less than it could be. So I changed this. I straightened the neck first, and after that I took out the saddle, I sanded it down in about 3 runs and made sure it was lowered enough to make it very playable. And now this guitar is really nice to play on. Put some new D'Addario strings on it, by the way, phosphor bronze, and I really like how it sounds now. And well, as you can hear in these sound samples, I think it sounds very good now. So what's wrong with the Harley Benton guitars? Well, in the factory they should spend more time on setting it up correctly, and especially if you put a element beyond the saddle, make sure the saddle is lowered as factory. They didn't, so if you buy such a guitar, don't return it, just fix it yourself. It's an easy fix. It takes some time, but well, as you can hear, it sounds pretty good afterwards.